Hey everybody, it's me Trudy. So I am here today because I have a few things that I wanted to share with you guys. I have some Happy Mail, and that is from the Deckthehall. So I had one that was delivered yesterday, and then I have some Christmas gifts I wanted to share with you guys that I got that I think that you would be interested in. And and it's just fun to share. Um, okay, so this one is one of our Deck the Halls 23. This is from Carla and Middle Earth Traveler. I'm not sure if she has a YouTube channel, but this is her altered playing card, and I will, because it's really cool, you guys. Well, there you go. Yeah, she actually put it in a little case here, and it feels really cool. There's some it's like mixed media. It looks like she's got some stamping on here, something on here. It's really cool. Some stamping, some little bit of collage. Really nice. I love it. And then her information is right here. And so, yeah, so this is another card that I received. These were really fun from Deckthehall 23 from Angela, the traveling crafter. All the information will be on the bottom. So if you haven't gone over there, go over there. I always put, like, whoever I mention in my videos, please go check them out. Alright, so my birthday was December 19th, which was last Wednesday, I believe. No, I'm sorry, Tuesday. It was Tuesday. It was a Wednesday, you guys. I woke up with a horrible headache after that. So I got some gift cards, and this is what I did. I went ahead and got a few things. So this is, I have not seen Mono or Tombow glue sticks. I do not need glue sticks, you guys, at all. But these are really cool, and I thought that I would really give them a, I like Tombow, so they have to be pretty good, right? So I got those. And then, you guys, I ordered this. So this is a Tellwell, but not the original Tellwell, not the Stampin' Up! Tellwell. This is the one you get on Amazon. Let me zoom you guys back out a little bit. And the difference is not much. So this is from a well-tell, a real well-tell. I had a bunch sent to me from different people. People have been really kind about that. I remember those things like at $30, you guys, and I should have grabbed them then, and I didn't. Now they're like at 80, 90 bucks, and I'm like, I'm not spending that kind of money on it. I just can't afford that, and I can't justify it, so I never did get my well-tell. But I did order one of these, and it's not much different, you guys. It's a little bit bigger. I kind of like it because you cut it on a fold. So let me see. Let's see. Let me get a piece of paper. And I gotta have a piece of paper somewhere here, right? All right. So here's a little. So you. And I don't know if this will be big enough. Let me get a regular piece of paper. Hold on a second. Alright, let's do this. So you cut it on a regular piece of paper like this, and you fold it. So you have it folded. So they're not straight like the regular whale tails. You don't have to fold them once they're small. You fold them there. You fold them before. You put it in there, and you guys, it's a folded whale tail. So, I mean, I don't know. So for some people, they want the original whale tail. I don't know. Like, it's like, what are you going to do? That's original. That's this whale tail. And this was like $14. So, and it works perfectly. I love it. I think it's awesome. So there's an alternative. If you don't have a well tail, go grab you one of these. They're on Amazon. I'll try to leave the link below. I like it. I like it. Right. It's not the original well tail. And the thing is like you're kind of risking buying one of the older retired ones, because by the time it gets to you, it may not even work. You spend $80. I don't know. I wish I would have got one. I'm not gonna lie. I wish I would have, but I didn't, and so oh well. The other thing is I've been eyeballing this for a while, and so I got some gift cards at Michael's, and so I thought, well, you know what? I'm gonna get those books I want. So this is the forest. It's the Forest Fairies Fungi sticker. And you guys, this book is flippin' awesome. Let me put some more light here. I need to get my other lights. I think I did better. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe if I didn't have light, right? I think that was. Yeah. Okay. So it's kind of lighter when I don't put the light. So there you go. So yeah. So it has animals and just all kinds of stuff in here. It's really cool. Different animals. Was there some? I think this is like a big piece, so that's pretty cool. I've been wanting this, you guys. I've been wanting it a lot, and the only reason why is because lately I am like so obsessed with mushrooms. Look, I made mushroom. I'm gonna make mushroom everything. Mushroom. Yeah, and I'm on the prowl for some mushrooms everywhere I go. My kids think I'm obsessed with it. I pretty much am. But aren't these lovely? I love them. There's fairies. Let's see if there's some fairies in the mushrooms right there. There's some fairies. These are going to be great for collage. Absolutely wonderful. So I was happy to get that. And then I got this. And I drew my granddaughters some mermaids, and they came out lovely. But I love Jane Davenport, and she gives like detail of hands. I love that. I am getting so much better on my faces, and I like whimsical. I'm not looking for anything real life. I don't think, it's not important to me. I did a whole bunch of different faces with collage and mixed media, and I gave them to a teacher, and she loved them. She put them all over a teacher at work, and she put them all over her room. Just different, you kind of get a vibe of who that was. It's nobody really, but you kind of get that vibe. This is really cool. So I love doing this, and just and I do, I use acrylic, or I use water. You could just watercolor is fun to work with. I love watercolor. Love. So yeah, so I've been eyeballing this. One of the things I want to get into is the writing. Doing the writing. I did get into a little bit of the doodling, and I did some doodling. I'll show you guys something. Hold on. Okay. I have this book. I've had this book. I think I got it at a thrift store, but it's Doodle Trees and Happy Bees, and it has all kinds of like different, pictures where you doodle, lots of little doodling. And so I did, I did a few of these and gave them away, but I did them on a big sheet. I did the mermaid. Yeah. So anyways, I did this for my daughter, and it came out really cool. She's in nursing school, and may all your dreams come true. And this is the whale. So, and all the little doodling up here. And I did it with my alcohol inks and watercolor. It was watercolor and alcohol inks. Anyways, but it was really easy. It's not hard and it's very relaxing. So that's why, that's fun to do. So, yeah, so I really wanted this book. I wanted to really explore that. Like, that would be really cool with watercolor. I really could do that. Some mixed media behind here. Yeah. Oh, look at this. On black, you could probably decoupage her. That's really cool. Love the colors here. That's pretty. Little abstract. Anyways, that is what I got with some of my gift cards. And let's see, what else did I get? So I got a couple outfits, and I'm going to show you guys those. And I got some like little hand lotions. And what else did I get? I didn't even open this yet. So this is a nail buffer and a hand lotion. I got a little bath bomb. And, oh, I like a margarita mixer. I like a good margarita, I'm not going to lie, I do. Frosted coconut antibacteria. That's going to go right on my desk. And some really nice shea butter hand cream. It's going to go on my desk. And yeah, and my card. And then she gave me a gift card. This is a friend of mine. We go to lunch every second Tuesday. And she's wonderful. We also, her husband and my honey, we all go to like musicals. We go to musicals. We probably do that like every other month, and we go as a couple. We go to dinner, and then we go to the musical. And my husband works with her husband, so that's how that works. So, anyways, and then Johnny and I are making our own T-shirts. So for Christmas, and I've been telling him I'm gonna get them, and we haven't. I have a heat press, you guys, that I got for Christmas last year, and I'm not gonna lie, I haven't used it once. It's still wrapped up. It's still in the, I don't even know. And Johnny says, can we like use this heat press before you get more presents this year? And I'm like, yeah. Anyway, so my Cricut is all ready. We're gonna design it. I think we might do that tonight, and that'll be fun. And yeah, so that was that. And then let me see. I know so Johnny got me a massage, and my daughter got me an outfit, and I'm not going to show that. I got an outfit and a shirt. That's going to be fun to wear. She got me really nice velvety pants that are going to be comfy and cozy, and I think I'm going to wear those on Christmas Eve. Yeah, so anyways, I had a really nice birthday, you guys. I will try to insert some pictures. The kids went and came over, and we did cookies. And then Johnny took us out to eat on my birthday. My son came over. I'm trying to think. What happened is everybody was supposed to come on Saturday and celebrate my birthday, I think is what happened. Or was it Sunday? I'm not even sure. But I ended up getting a horrible, horrible migraine. It was almost to the point where I have occipital neuralgia. I can never say that right. Anyway, so when I have a flare-up, it's these debilitating headaches. And so I had one Saturday, but then again I had another one just like 2 days later. It wasn't as bad, but it was like, it just kind of knocks me. You know, if some of you have migraines, you guys know. Anyways, I don't want to keep you. I know everybody's busy during the holidays, and I hope you guys are having a great one. I am too. Busy, busy, busy. Yeah. And so I just want to wish you guys a very, very Merry Christmas. This will probably be the last video I do before Christmas. So Merry Christmas, you guys. I will see you guys right after the new year. I do have videos for you. I have some hauls that I did, some thrift hauls. So those are going to be coming up, but I'll probably post those after Christmas. So anyways, you guys have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas, okay? Merry Christmas, you guys. I love you all, okay? I do. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. See you soon. Bye.